Look, I am about to save you months of wasted time and probably a few hundreds dollars because here's the truth nobody is telling about. 90% of the make money with AI content you see online is either overlapped garbage or straight up misleading. I know this because I have been where you are. I have tested those methods, I've lost money and I've figured out what actually works. I am Rishit, I run Maxi Marketing and over the past 3 years, I am gone from failing at every online business idea to building a sustainable digital marketing agency. And in 2026, AI is not just hype anymore. It's a real tool that can either accelerate your income or waste your time, depending on how you use it. So in this next 10 minutes, I am going to show you exactly where AI helps you make money, where it completely fails, and the 3 specific studies that are working right now. No fluff, no fake promise, just the real breakdowns. Let's get into it. Before we talk about what works, we need to address the massive trap most people fail into. Back in 2023, right after my World CPA project failed, which was I hate a lesson. By the way, I started seeing all those videos make $10,000 a month with ChatGPT. AI will do all the work for you, just copy paste and prove. And because I was desperate to recover from that failure, I tried everything: AI generated YouTube channels, AI article forms, AI social media automation. You know what happens? Nothing. Actually, worse than nothing. I wasted 2 months. Here's why most AI money methods fail. The AI saturation problem: when everyone using the same AI tool to create the same type of content, you are not standing out. You are drawing in a mediocrity. Google algorithm in 2026, it's getting really good at detecting low effort AI content. Same with YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. The value gap: AI can generate content, but it cannot generate value. And people pay for value, not volume. You can pump out 100 AI articles a day, but if not of them actually help someone solve a problem, you make $0. The trust factor. Here's something I learned from my mechanic days back in 2018. People don't buy from mechanics. They buy from people they trust. AI cannot build relationship. It can't understand nonsense. It cannot empathize with your audience's specific pain point. So, does this mean AI is useless for making money? Absolutely not. But you need to understand something critical. Here's the framework I use. AI is an amplifier, not a replacement. Think of it like this. When I was working as a mechanic, appearance, having an electrical drill made me 10x faster. But if I don't know where to drill, what size to beat to use, or how deep to go, that drill was worthless. It amplified my skill, but don't replace it. AI works exactly the same way. Where AI actually helps you make money. 1. Research and ideation, the speed manipulator. This is where AI shines. I use Cloud, ChatGPT and Perplexity to cut my research time by 70%. Here's my exact process. When I'm writing SEO content for clients or my own sites, I will ask AI to analyze top-ranking competitors, exact content gaps, and suggested keyword variations. When it used to take me 3 hours, now takes 45 minutes. But, and this is critical, I don't use AI output directly. I used it as a research assistant. Then I write the actual content myself based on real experience. Real example: last month I helped a client rank for email marketing automation tools. AI gives me the framework and competitor analysis in 20 minutes. I spent 2 hours writing the actual article with real testing insights. Result: page 1 Google ranking in 3 weeks. $2,400 in affiliate commission in the first month. 2. Automation of repetitive tasks. The time saver. This is a huge for scaling. I use AI for email sequence drafting. Then I personalize heavily. Social media caption variations, starting point only. Client repeat generation, data analysis, FAQ responses, customized templates. This is save me properly 15 hours a week. That's 15 hours I can spend on actual money-making activities. Client strategy calls content creation, relationship building. 3. Landing page and skill development, the accelerator. Here's something most people miss. AI is the best free tutor you ever have. When I was learning advanced SEO in 2022 or 23, I don't give money for excessive courses. I used AI to explain technical concepts, debug my strategies, and practice problem solving. Current example: I am studying economics, sociology, and history at National University. I use AI to explain complex theories, create study frameworks, and quiz myself. This frees up the time for my businesses. Now, here's where it gets interesting and where the most people screw up. Let me be barely honest about where AI will waste your time and money. 1. Pure AI content pieces that date and ends. AI only YouTube channels, AI article farms, AI social media accounts, those are dying fast in 2026. Why? Because platforms are getting smarter. YouTube's algorithm now prioritizes authentic creator connection. Google's helpful content update punishing generic AI contents. Instagram and TikTok users can exploit AI generated force and voice instantly. I tested this. I created an AI powered YouTube channel in September 2025. AI script, AI voiceover, 6 videos, 40 hours of work. Total views? 347. Total revenue? 0. Compare that my main channel where I show my face, share real experience and actually connect with people. Same amount of work but sustainable growth. 2. AI without strategy. The random approach using AI tools without understanding business fundamentals. This is like giving someone a Ferrari who does not know how to drive. I see this constantly. People buy AI tools, generate tons of content, but have no target audience, understanding value, proposition, distribution, strategy, monetization plan. Remember my December 3, 2021 start. I failed for months because I hate tools, but no strategy. AI does not fake that. It just helps you fail faster. 3. AI for relationship building. The trust killer. You cannot automate trust. Period. I learned this the hard way with my World CPA project failure. I tried to scale too fast using automation and people tell they don't feel valued. They don't feel heard. When I rebuilt with maximum marketing, I made connection, the personal responsiveness, real conversion, genuine help. AI helps me draft responses. But every final message is human. This is why I'm still running my business from this sport at 22 years old. Balancing university and entrepreneurship. I could automate more, but I don't lose the human connection that actually makes money. Okay, here's what actually works. Those are 3 strategies I am using right now. Strategy 1. The AI enhanced service business that is the fastest path to real income. Here's the model. Offer a service you are skilled at, content writing, SEO, social media management, graphics design, and I use AI to increase your efficiency, not replace your expertise. My example, I offer SEO content strategy. It helps me with computer analysis, keyword research, and content outlines, but I am broke down the strategy thinking, real world testing, and client-specific insights. This lets me scale 3x more clients without sacrificing quality. Last quarter revenue 8,400. Realistic, sustainable, and scalable. Strategy 2. AI-powered affiliate marketing the honest way. Here's the key. Use AI for research and optimization, not content creation. My process, AI helps me identify trending products and content gaps. I personally test products, only recommended what I actually use. I write authentic reviews with real pros and cons. AI helps optimize for SEO and readability. This approach takes longer, but build trust on honest review can generate passive income for 6 years. Strategy 3. AI still stacking the long game. This is my personal favorite because it compounds over the time. Use AI to learn multiple skills faster, then combine them in unique ways. Learn SEO plus copywriting plus data analysis. Learn video editing plus copywriting plus marketing. Learn web design plus UX plus psychology. I use this myself. My mechanic background plus digital marketing plus data analysis create a unique perspective that clients pay premium for. Here's the action plan. Week 1. Pick on skill you are already decent at. Don't start from zero. Week 2. Use AI like ChatGPT, Cloud, Perplexity to study advanced techniques in that skills. Ask it a specific question, request examples, practice daily. Week 3. Create 3 to 5 portfolio pieces. Use AI to speed up research and polish. But the core work is yours. Week 4. Start offering services. Play slow initially. Focus on result on testimonials. That is exactly how I build maximum marketing from zero sustainable income. Look, here's the bottom line. AI would not make you rich overnight. It would not do work for you. And anymore promising otherwise is lying. But if you use AI as a tool, amplify your existing skills, automate your tasks, and accelerate your learning, it can absolutely help you build real sustainable income. I started on December 3rd, 2021 with zero experience and countless failures. I am not a guru. I am not a millionaire. I am just someone a few steps ahead who are willing to reach back and help. The difference between people who make money with AI and people who waste time. Honest effort is thinking and persistence. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find honest content instead of hype. Subscribe if you want more real talk about digital marketing, AI, and online business. No BS, just data-driven strategies that actually work. And drop a comment telling me what's on AI tools you are trying and did it help or waste your time. I read every comment and I'll respond with honest feedback. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next on video. Bye.